It's going down, down, baby, up the elevator. From the balcony, we're waving at the haters. Jet set daily, but I'll see you later. If you're looking for the real thing, so won't you step, baby, into my Oval Office. We won't have to worry about economics. I'm so modest, wow, I'm being honest. I could be the next big thing. I'm not a king, but I'm a gent. And if you let me, I'll be your president. I'll write a speech, I'll make it count. And we could move into my big, big house. I'm not a thief, I'm not a crook. So while your best friends give me dirty looks, I'll prove them wrong, I have no doubt. So won't you please just hear me out? Cause you say you try to keep away from American boys. Said, baby, what's wrong with American boys? Said they keep me up late with American music. I'm in the foreign car bumping Erica Badu. Said you try to keep away from American boys. I said, baby, what's wrong with American boys? I said they always swoop down like a peregrine falcon. I try to slow down, baby, but I can't help it. So sweet, sweet baby, sweeter than a soda pop. But your daddy's meaner than the Robocop. He don't trust me, so I wrote a song about how I'm never gonna lay hands. Let's go downtown, baby, like we were Petula. Like my name, I got it from Medulla. Once I was a loser, then I left school, and now I am a self-made man. I understand that you're concerned, because I'm not quite ready for the church. And when I leave to go to war, you think that you won't see me anymore. But I'll be back in just a sec to wrap my arms around your pretty neck. And if you think you'll realize that we are underneath the same blue sky, cause you say you try to keep away from American boys. I said, baby, what's wrong with American boys? You said they keep me up late with American music. I'm in the foreign car bumping Erica Badu. You said you try to keep away from American boys. I said, baby, what's wrong with American boys? You said they always swoop down like a peregrine falcon. I try to slow down, baby, but I can't help it. Woe is me, woe is me, woe is me, woe is me. Bear to have another man lost at sea. He was a firework, and then he met Poseidon. I swore I wouldn't love another seaplane pilot. My album got 5 stars, so I earned my stripes. You said, I know you're pig-headed, but you're just my type. I'm singing shimmy, shimmy,